What is Rocket Money on my bank statement? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. Rocket Money. What is Rocket Money? Well, it's a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills and subscriptions. It does this by automatically tracking your spending and finding you better deals on things like your internet, phone, and insurance. In this video, I'm going to show you how Rocket Money works and how it can help you save money. I'll also be discussing some of the pros and cons of using the app. So, if you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, or if you're just looking for ways to save money, then be sure to watch this video all the way through. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills and subscriptions. It does this by automatically tracking your spending and finding you better deals on things like your internet, phone, and insurance. How Rocket Money works. Rocket Money works by connecting to your bank account and credit cards. It then tracks your spending and identifies any recurring bills or subscriptions that you have. Once Rocket Money has identified your bills and subscriptions, it will start looking for better deals for you. It will compare prices from different providers and find you the best possible deal. Rocket Money will also send you alerts when your bills or subscriptions are about to come up for renewal. This gives you a chance to switch to a better deal if you find one. Pros and cons of Rocket Money. Easy to use. Rocket Money is very easy to set up and use. Free. Rocket Money is free to use. Saves you money. Rocket Money can help you save money on your bills and subscriptions. Good customer service. Rocket Money has excellent customer service. Not all providers are supported. Rocket Money does not support all providers. May not find the best deals. Rocket Money may not always find the best deals available. Can be time-consuming. It can be time-consuming to switch providers if you find a better deal. Overall, I think Rocket Money is a great tool for saving money. It's easy to use, free, and can help you save a significant amount of money each month. If you're looking for a way to save money on your bills and subscriptions, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.